every time I squeeze this trigger, I'm depressing this little button.
Okay.
That drops the water onto the brush. Okay. The brush, spinning at 780 RPMs, transfers the moisture to the carpet. Then the centrifugal force of the brush throws the moisture and debris onto the belt. The belt turns, rubs up against the squeegee, and deposits everything into the recovery tank. It's that simple. Okay. Dry time, you're looking at, as long as you got airflow, about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes, depending on how much water we put down. Okay.
So there's no vacuum.
No vacuum.
Okay.
Okay. With no vacuum, I did a test and I still picked up 75% of what I put down. Okay. On carpet at my church. Okay. As far as edge cleaning, you can see how close we can get to the edge right there. Because the brush is here and that's the edge of the machine. So we get that close to the edge. Over here, this is our in rest position, so nothing happens. Okay? But then when I lift this up, that will turn on the machine when I lower the handle. This is the mop up, which controls whether the belt's turning or not. So if I want to do a double scrub on hard floor, I flip the switch, then I'm no longer picking up. Okay. Then when I want to start picking up, I do that, now it's mopping. Okay. This controls how much pressure we're going to the floor. So when I'm doing a hard floor, I want to go all the way up. That gives me more pressure. When I'm doing carpet, I always want to be on either the lowest or the next stop. See these wheels here? They recess inside. Okay, so
The wheels raise and lower.
when I've got it on all the pressure, see how far the wheels go in? Okay, completely. When I've got it on light amount of pressure, the wheels just don't go in as far. So that's how we control the pressure. Okay? And once I got water, it stops. As you can see right there, the dirt we're picking up just off that little bit of hard floor. And that's how dry it'll be the hard floor. Beautiful on grout because you got cylindrical brushes that get down into the grout. If you've got uneven tile areas, ceramic tile, brick tile, it's beautiful for getting down into the dirt, you know, into the little grooves of the tile itself. So what I would do would be to pre-spray the carpet. Now, the beauty with our pre-spray, hit it harder, try to get that spot out. Okay. It dries hard. So it dries on the surface of the carpet. Then you come back, you can't work it into the carpet. With ours, I can get as big of an area as I want to. If it dries, when I apply water, when I rinse it, it becomes liquid again. So you can work it down into the carpet. So I can pre-spray as big of an area as I want without any issues. Caps. I can hit all sides of the spot. You can see it with the edge cleaning. See how close I can get to the edge because I'm really running right there beside it.
Some of that stuff probably been there for 3 years.
Yeah, that's not coming up right there. I don't even know what it is. is what the pile lifting does. Because all of that, even though we vacuum that, that's all down in the bottom of the nap of the carpet. That's why you got a pile lift, to be able to get that stuff out. So that's how well, without a vacuum system, that's how much debris that we pick up. Every time I'm squeezing the trigger, it's dripping water onto the brush.
So you're squeezing constantly.
Well, what you want to do, like on carpet, is about every third step. I'm going to take this, you can see all the debris that got thrown on me. So we want to wipe that off. And just wipe down my belt. Of course, I want to wipe off the squeegee blades. And I want to wipe down my motor. Because what will happen, that will get baked on there because of the heat of the motor, and then it causes the motor overheat. But that's really all the maintenance that you've got to do. In the proper working mode, you're going to be, depending on the carpet, anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes before you have to dump and refill. But you'll dump the center tank twice for every once that you do this. If someone's going, hey, I'm somewhere where I don't have a restroom real close or somewhere to dump it, take a 5-gallon bucket of clean water and a 5-gallon bucket of dirty water, and just go ahead and do that. But it's for hard floor, it's for carpet, it's tile lifter, it's low moisture cleaning, so we don't have slip and fall when we walk from carpet onto a tile floor. Yeah. So we've got sealed bearings. So dirt, debris, nothing gets in there. What you want to do is flip the brush end to end. About once a month.